Hello, what's up guys, welcome to the new video. Today we will learn about the harmonic mean. Now harmonic mean is equal to n divided by 1 upon a plus 1 upon b plus 1 upon c and so on. It means that harmonic mean is equal to n, that is the number of values, total number of values divided by the reciprocal of the values and then the addition of all of them. How? For example, what is the harmonic mean of a, b and c? Then how we will calculate? Harmonic mean is equal to the number of values. How many number of values are these? 1, 2 and 3. So 3 divided by the addition of the reciprocal of the values. It means 1 upon a plus 1 upon b plus 1 upon c, and then whatever the answer may be. Here you will be clear. Example, what is the harmonic mean of 2, 4 and 6? Remember, harmonic mean is equal to the number of values. How many number of values are these? These are the 3, 1, 2 and 3. So 3 divided by addition of the reciprocal of the values. So 1 upon 2 plus 1 upon 4 plus 1 upon 6. You know that we can solve it easily. First of all, we take its LCM. So LCM will be 12. So then 2 multiply 6 will be 12. So 6 plus 4 multiply 3 will be 12. So plus 3. 6 multiply 2 will be 12 plus 2. So in this way, harmonic mean is equal to 3 divided by 11 upon 12. So finally our answer will be 3.28. So in this way we will calculate the harmonic mean of the any values.